So hey guys, welcome to another episode in our wedding series.
Yeah, this is another vlog.
Yeah.
Today we're there road. Sean took a little break from the World Cup, you know hear him throat
Yeah, my voice, it gone. I've been cheering for Brazil. We do a big thing the other day, like, yo, Brazil up. Yeah.
Anyway, today we're up on the road, guys, with the dental associates.
Yeah.
We came to get our wedding cleaning today. You know, that's one of the things that we wanted to check off our list of stuff that we wanted to get done before the big day.
Yes.
We are actually at Dental Associates Jamaica. It's on Halfway Tree Road, actually. It's 58 Halfway Tree Road, right beside General Accident.
Yes.
In this business complex.
Right across from, you know, where Floor is. If you can find Floor, it's basically on the other side. Before you reach NHT. NHT around Emancipation. In that area, before you turn up, right? So it's easy to find. You can always Google Map.
So today we were actually treated by Dr. Dania Loy Jones. Big up yourself, Dania. She's a long-time friend of mine. I actually went to her when she was actually a student, you know, and she just make you feel comfortable, and that's the thing that I like. I'm not really a big fan of dentists. I don't go very often, and she scolds me about it all the time. But you know, she made me feel comfortable, relaxed. I don't have to feel like it's gonna be painful or it's gonna be like a horrible experience. She just make you feel cool and she chill, you know. She walks you through every single thing that she's doing in your mouth. If you need to floss more, she will tell you. As she's going through, she will tell you every little thing. What about you?
Yes, as Devon said, she was great in dealing with me as a patient. Basically walked me through did her exam to tell me which teeth needed water, what's happening with which teeth. You know, if your gum needs less brushing, if you're brushing it too hard, like I brush my gums really hard sometimes, and just to give you a nice breakdown of what is happening in your mouth, really. For most men, I know, you know, a lot of men don't do dentists, but I mean, I do dentists quite a few times because I do have, you know, quite a few fillings in my mouth and stuff. So it's good to come to the dentist, really, to just get your mouth check up. You know, it's good to know the state of your mouth, you know, to see what is happening there, because you know, really want to get the whole on your mouth just start look, it just bad breath does not work at all, you know, and you just want to know if you have a good smile, if she can recommend you to get braces or whatnot. So it's good to just come and just get a checkup and get a cleaning, especially before you're wedding. You want to get a nice cleaning.
It's a must.
Yeah, come to Dental Associates. I mean, you don't have to come, but we recommend that you
have to come to Dental Associates.
Well, and check out Dr. Dania Jones or the rest of doctors as well, but we recommend Dr. Jones right now.
We recommend Dr. Jones.
So we're big up a friend and we're promote a friend and we're say, yo, this is the thing, Dr. Jones.
Yes, definitely go, and we will put her details. It's at Dr. Dania Loy Jones on Instagram. You can check the description for that, and also please go and follow Dental Associates on Instagram as well.
Yes.
Really chill place, really cool, and the good thing with them too is that they open on a Saturday. So today is actually a Saturday. So if you're busy like us during the week and it don't make sense for you to come and do your appointment, you guys can book your appointments on Saturdays as well. So yeah, that was stop number one on our day. We have a few other stuff to do today.
We're supposed to go to Azan.
We're supposed to go to Azan today. So yeah, stay tuned.
Again, as I said, come to the dentist, get your thing check out, get your teeth check out. You know, bring the family, bring your son, daughter, whatever. If you just get married, we recommend that go and check out your mouth. You understand?
Not even if you're getting married, like just come and
in general. You know, I wish I would have come more often, but you know, sometimes if you don't have insurance, you know the money thing go already. But yeah, I'm just saying, like.
Anyway, sadly, guys, I have a cavity. The last time I went to the dentist, I didn't have any, but I have one now. She said it's a small one, but I'll definitely be coming back here to have it filled. So yeah, I probably will do a next couple vlog on that as well. So check her out, guys. Check them out. Big up yourself, Dania. We will see you in the next clip, and you guys can check out some clips while we're talking of us and our experience there.
That's it for work.
Oh my gosh! All right, guys. See you in the next clip later.